Okay, so may nakita akong trend online. This, parang 1 year later, ganun. So today is April 8th, 2026. So to the person that I am, April 8th, 2027. This is for you. Okay. Pala, nag-ready akong script. So, mag-ready akong script. Mag-ready ba akong script? Wag na. Okay. So, hello, I'm you from before, from 1 year ago. So, I'm living this place, this condo that I lived in. It's my, I would call this my very first home because I spent my adulthood here. But talaga English. So, I spent my adulthood here and, ayun, I had fun and sad times here. But it's definitely sad that I'll be leaving, but it's definitely a much needed leave. Much needed leave. So, I want to ask you, what happens? What happens? Ikunento from the start. Paulit-ulit. So, I want to ask you if saan ka na nakatira ngayon? Oh, okay. So, my next question is, um, you you just broke up with a 7 year relationship. Well, it's been a long time coming. So, pero you broke up with someone, but you're seeing somebody else na you're both seeing somebody else, but you're seeing somebody else and ayun, kind of in the rocks right now in the relationship, but I want to ask if ano nangyari sa inyo and ayun, are you guys still together? Okay, so next question is sige. So, ako, okay naman ako. Nasad ako syempre sa channel na ang dami nag-expect and I wanted to do a lot of things and ngayon na mag-isa ako, I thought I'm gonna have parang, more strength. So, ayun. It's really a habit. Like, I really need to break my habits. So, I want to ask you, kamusta? Kamusta yung vlogging channel mo din? On your own? And, ayun. Right now, you, me, is sitting in uncomfortable silence and ayun, I just want to ask if parang you found the circle that you're supposed to be in or I don't know. What's the situation? Sa friendship. Okay. So I want to ask the 2028 version of me. Pero I need to sleep na. So ayun. Thanks for checking in and ayun. I have the last few days left here before I fly to Taiwan. And I know you're gonna have fun there because ayun. So ayun. It's been nice talking to you kasi ewan, I felt good kasi parang I have something to I really have something to look forward to. And ayun. Yeah, I have an upcoming trip. I have somewhere to live to. My work is fine. just need to be hopeful. And that's what I need to learn. So you will be happy. So, yeah. Bye-bye.